Good morning to all of you. This is Somshekhar, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Sarami Government Science College, Pamunkatte, Bhadravati. In the last session, we seen the yn formulae of some standard functions, e power of ax plus b to the power of m, log of ax plus b. In this session, we are going to learn some problems based on these standard functions. The requirement to this session is you should know how to find the derivatives. Let me go to the main content. Find the nth derivative of y is equal to e power of minus 3x. And this is the given function. I already told you to get yn value, we need the first three derivatives. By comparing these three, we can get yn formula. Now y1 is equal to the differentiation of this e power of minus 3x na differentiation e power of minus 3x into the differentiation of the power minus 3. y2 is equal to the differentiation of this minus e power of minus 3x na differentiation e power of minus 3x into minus 3, but already minus 3 is there, so minus 3 into minus 3 to the power of 2 e power of minus 3x. y3 is equal to, again this is the constant, e power of minus 3x na differentiation of e power of minus 3x into minus 3, but minus 3 to the power of 2 is there, minus 3 to the power of 2 into minus 3 to the power of 3 e power of minus 3x. By comparing these three, yn is equal to, in all these, minus 3 into e power of minus 3x is a common term, so minus 3 into e power of minus 3x. In y3, minus 3 to the power of 3 is there, so in yn, minus 3 to the power of n is there. Let me move on to the second problem. Find the nth derivative of this function. Now y1 is equal to the differentiation of this 1 by log the differentiation of 1 by 2x minus 3 into the differentiation of this, it will be 2. To get the remaining derivatives, bring this to the numerator. Please note this part. To get the remaining derivatives, first of all, bring this to the numerator. 2 into 2x minus 3 to the power of minus 1. y2 is equal to 2 into the differentiation of this, minus 1 into 2x minus 3 to the power of minus 1 minus 2 into the differentiation of this, 2. First of all, bring this to a simple form before going to y3. Minus 1 into 2 into 2 square, 2x minus 3 to the power of minus 2. And this is y2 value, this is y1 value. Now y3 is equal to minus 1 into 2 to the power of 2 is constant. The differentiation of this, minus 2 into 2x minus 3 to the power of minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 into the differentiation of this, 2. After the simplification, minus 1 into minus 2, 2 square into 2 to the power of 3, 2x minus 3 to the power of minus 3. Similarly, yn is equal to, in y3 it starts from y minus 1, so in yn it starts from minus 1 and ends with minus 2. That means one number less than this, 3. So in yn it ends with one number less than this, minus 1 into minus 2 etc. One number less than this is n minus 1, minus of n minus 1. In y1, y2, y3, 2 is there. So 2 is common. In y3, the power will be 3. So in yn, the 2 to the power is n. And in all these 2x minus 3 is common. 2x minus 3 is common. 2x minus 3 is also present in yn. And see the power. In y3, the power is minus 3. So in yn, the power is minus n. Minus n is equal to, in all these terms, minus 1 is present. So take minus 1 outside, but it comes n minus 1 times because there are n minus 1 terms. Therefore, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 etc. n minus 1 is minus 1 to the power of n minus 1. And the remaining is 1 into 2 into etc. n minus 1. n minus 1 to 1. And this is n minus 1 factorial into 2 to the power of n. Bring this to denominator. This negative becomes positive. 2x minus 3 to the power of n. This is the nth order derivative. If y is equal to 1 by x plus 2 into 1 minus x minus 1, find yn. Now this is the given function. Please observe the denominator is a factor of is a factorization of linear factor. It is a product of linear factors. So first of all, split this function by using partial fraction. We already know this. The split of the first linear factor x plus 2 is of the form some constant by x plus 2 plus x minus 1 is a linear factor, and so in splitting it is of the form some constant by x minus 1. Now we have to find a and b value. Here there is a trick. By using this trick we can find a and b value directly, and this trick happens if it is the product of linear factors. Now to find a value, in the denominator x plus 2 is there. Find x value by equating this linear factor to 0. X plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. Put this x is equal to minus 2 in the remaining factor of the LHS. Don't put x is equal to minus 2 in the same factor, x plus 2, because it becomes infinity. 0 into something is 0, 1 by 0 is infinity. So put x is equal to minus 2 in the remaining factor of the LHS, x minus 1. X is equal to minus 2, minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Minus 1 by minus 3, that means minus 1 by 3. This is the a value. Similarly, find b value. In the b constant, the denominator is x minus 1. Find x value by equating this to 0. X is equal to 1. Put this x value in the remaining factor of the LHS. Here x is equal to 1, 1 plus 2, here x is equal to 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 1 by 3, and this is b value, b is equal to 1 by 3. Now take 1 by 3 common, 1 by 3 into 1 by x minus 1, first write positive value, 1 by x minus 1 minus 1 by x plus 2, and this is our given function. By using partial fraction, I get the splitted form of the given function. Now yn is equal to the nth derivative. I know the nth derivative of this format in the previous session, and also the nth derivative of this format. So I can write yn directly. Yn is equal to 1 by 3 is a constant. We already know the yn formula of this format in the previous session, 1 by ax plus b, and this is the linear function, 1 by ax plus b format. The yn value is minus 1 to the power of n factorial. These two terms are common. Minus 1 to the power of n factorial into a to the power of n. Here a is the coefficient of x. X is 1 is there, So 1 to the power of n is 1 divided by ax plus b. Here ax plus b is x minus 1. X minus 1 to the power of n plus 1. Ax plus b to the power of n plus 1. Here ax plus b is x minus 1. Please go through the yn formula of this format 1 by ax plus b in the previous session. Negative of, and this is also of the form 1 by ax plus b, and so the yn is minus 1 to the power of n factorial, these two terms are common, into a to the power of n. Here a is 1, the coefficient of x. 1 to the power of n is 1 divided by ax plus b. Here it is x plus 2 to the power of n plus 1. We can bring this to even simple form, and this is the common term, take outside. Minus 1 to the power of n factorial by 3. The remaining is 1 by x minus 1 to the power of n plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 2 to the power of n plus 2, n plus 1. There are some excess problems. Please do this, and if there is any queries, please go through these references. Thank you one and all. See you in the next session.